Hi friends, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 2D drawings in SolidWorks software. So I already made on 3D model, basic 3D model. Select Control N, Drawing, OK. Select your template. Here already model is there, created model. Just double click, front view, side view, ISO view. If we want, we can place top view also. Just align the views. So we can reduce the scale. And change the color for ISO view. Every time you select this wireframe, friends, are hidden lines visible. See, like this lines will come, so that is good for understanding the drawing. And also one view is not required because this is basic part only, so we can remove this view, or we can remove top view. For annotations, we can place the dimensions by default, model items, so dimensions, so like this dimensions will come. Just arrange the dimensions. Another option is we can give manually. Select smart dimension and click that. So I will show you, just I will remove this. Okay, now select the smart dimension 150. So basic dimension and all double digit 0 is not required. So just click the document properties, dimensions, remove the zeros. Okay. Again select the smart dimension, here to here 75, next here to here 45, here to here 20. These dimensions is, so I will realign again. Okay, and side width is 75 mm. So I showed two options, friends. By default also we can give the dimensions, and manually also we can give. This is basic 2D drawing, friends. In the upcoming videos I will show you definitely all the GD&T, fits and tolerances, and critical jobs also. That's what. Follow my channel, like, subscribe and share my videos. So this dimension is enough to create this part. First they will cut the raw material 150 by 75 by 75. They will keep 5 mm extra for machining. After that they will do the center cutout and side cutouts. So this is the manufacturing process. So give the view names. So without leader we want front view, okay. Just copy this and place here. No friends, delete this. Again select note, without leader, select the view, give the name side view. Now it will move along with the view. For this ISO view, okay. Friends, I am requesting you to please like my videos for better reaching. So that's it friends, in this part all the dimension are given. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment. Save the part wherever you want. I will save my desktop. We can save as a PDF also. I will show you. Save as. Here select the format PDF, desktop. See friend, this is the PDF drawing. Okay friends, that's the today's session. I hope you like this session. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this session friends.